So having gotten some help from Chelsea, the great Liverpool Football Club is now sitting on top of the English Premier League. And we have to say thanks to Chelsea, not just for keeping the league alive, but to show the rest of the teams in the league, say Manchester City and Pep Guardiola, don't make out of steel and iron, and they can be beaten. And yo, make we keep it real. For any other team, apart from Man City, to win the Premier League, the rest of the team them have to gang them up with a commonality, a purpose, and a conviction to stop Pep and Man City from making the EPL look like foolishness. The only thing I am sorry for right now is that Liverpool take the lead so early. We didn't want to take the lead with 2 games to go instead of with 22 games to go. And we know that there will be many more twists and turns and turns and twists before we know where that title sits. And one more thing. All 4 English teams, Liverpool, Man City, Tottenham Hotspurs, and even Manchester United, are into the last 16 of the Champions League. No other top league in Europe can boast that record. This strengthens the argument that the EPL is the best league in the world. So Liverpool Football Club is on top of the table in the best league in the world. That means that Liverpool is the best team in... It's a break, transmission. We take a break. We soon come back.